17 camels and 3 sons. Long as there lived an old man with his 3 sons in a discreet village located in the vicinity of a desert. He had 17 camels, and they were the main source of his income. He used to rent out camels as a means of shipping in the desert. One day he passed away. He had left a will leaving his assets for his 3 sons. After the funeral and the other obligations were over, the 3 sons read the will while their father had divided all the property he had into 3 equal parts. He had divided the 17 camels in a different way. They were not shared quickly among the 3 as 17 is an old number and a prime number which cannot be divided. The old man had stated that the eldest son will own half of the 17 camels. The middle one will get 1/3 of the 17 camel, and the youngest one will get his share of camels. As one night all of them were stunted to read the will and questioned each other how to divide the 17 camels. As maintained in the will, well, it is not possible to divide 17 camels and give half of the 17 camels to the eldest one. It is not possible also to divide the camels for the other 2 sons. They spent several days thinking of ways to divide it. The camels has maintained in the will, but none could find the answer. They finally took the issue to the wishman in their village. The wishman heard the problem and instantly found a solution. He asked them to bring all the 17 camels to him. The son brought the camels to the wishman place. The wishman added a camel on it by him and made the total number of camels 18. Now he asked the first son the reed the will ask per the will. The adset son got half the camels, which now counted to 18 to multiply 9 camels. The attest one got 9 camel has his share. The remaining camels were 9. The rich man asked the second son to read the will. He waste asked 1/3 of the total camels. It camel to 1836 is equal to 6 camels. The second son got 6 camels. He has his share. Total number of camel shared by the other sons minus 9 plus 6 15 camels. The third son read out his share of camels. 1/9 of the total number of camels. 8 minus 18 9 is equal to 2 camels. The youngest one got 2 camels, has his share. Totally there were 9 plus 6 plus 2 camels shared by the brothers, which counted to 17 camels. Now the one camel added by the rich man and was taken back. The rich man solved this problem smartly, which his intelligence is nothing but finding a common ground to solve has and issues. In short, every problem has a solution.